nowadays our preference is to work on the COVID-19. Okay, so the information is available. Those who are interested, they can search in this, they can use the information to work on the COVID-19. So because the government wants us, means okay, we should work on this problem so that we can easily find out, we will find, one day we will find out the probable solution, the working solution for this problem. So in the search also you can search, you can make the different types of, okay, interaction checker, downloads. So these are all different columns you can search. Search is important, and means why it is given here, chemical structure, molecular weight. Using those you can use this input. Okay, you can search about chemical structure, molecular weight, drug and food interaction. So these are the different things. Okay, we'll go later on this. First we'll see in the browse. Okay, किस पे क्लिक करना है? Do you want to search in drug? हमें drug पे search करना है. We want to search in the drug database. So here this is visible to you. All of you are seeing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Small molecule drug, because drug are the small molecule. These drugs work on the proteins. Okay. So when we compare the drug with the protein, so drugs are the small molecule and protein is the big one. Protein and DNA. So here you can see the name of the drug. Palmitoyl 2-oleolyl. Okay, glycero. I mean, this is a difficult name. I mean, you are the the student from the pharmaceutical science. So I think you have more knowledge on this also. So this drug has the molecular weight is given here, structure is given here. If you want to have a structure of this molecule, you can download the structure from here. Synthetic. So this is the description of the drug. A synthetic lung surfactant used to treat infant respiratory disease syndrome. So this is the function of drug. I mean, what is the activity of drug? It is given here. Okay, categories in which it is not available. So categories is not available. You can annotate this drug. You can find out. You can do work in this drug. To define the category of this drug. So there is a possibility you can do something here. Okay, on this drug you can find out. Okay, by analyzing the features of this drug, this is possible to make the category of this drug. The second drug is benzodiazepine. I think this is the famous drug nowadays we are also using. Okay, benzodiazepine is under investigation for the prevention of delirium. Okay, see surgical procedure. So this is used. Okay. Investigation is going on. Okay. So for the treatment of obesity, sleep apnea, obstructive disorders of gallbladder. So this is the activity. I mean, this is something about the activity and description of the drug. So, and these are all the categories of this drug. I mean, different kinds of derivative will be related to this. So these are different. So we can find out any information about the drug. You are able to see here. These are the different drugs that work against. This is abacavir. This work against HIV. So the information about different drugs are given here. So now what is the benefit? We have the information. Okay, and we have the molecular weight of this drug. We have molecular formulas. Now what we can do with this now in the drug designing, what we will do actually? So function we want to know. So if we have any interest, we can select in which you are interested. You can select by reading this. What is the function of this drug? What is the activity of this drug? So you can select any one drug according to that. Now what is important for us? For me, this structure is important. This structure we can take. So this is the two-dimensional structure. Like see, I want to see in which format this .sv. Okay, this is the image format. Okay, this is image format. So image format we can't use for docking or for any practical. Okay, this is just only image. Okay, Okay, so here the information is displayed. So in the computer aided drug design, we should have the structure of the drug to do any practical or to work further. But today is our first practical. Just we are searching here so that you can have the information about the structure, molecular weight. So the molecular weight, you know, drug should not have the molecular weight. If they are the two drug for the same purpose, obviously you will choose the drug that is less in the molecular weight. So but this one 167.257. Okay, so molecular weight should not high. It should not be greater than 500. Okay, if it is less than 500, then it is good, according to Lipinski rule of 5. So these are the different drugs. Okay, student, do you have any question here? This is the information that is just displayed here. I mean, how we can do search here. Okay, for the docking or for any virtual screening, we need the structure. We will also search about the structure, but this information is sufficient for you. I mean, because on the basis of that, we can select the drug for any project, for any practical. So this information is useful. Okay, do you have any question here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, these are the drug that is available, or in the you can search about these also. What are these? MS pathway. In the pathway will have the information. So this will be given. The drugs are given, but okay, 11 beta hydroxylase deficiency. So this is the search pathway on this. So which drug is used? So drugs name are given here, like progesterone, hydrocortisone. These are the steroid drugs. So this is used in this disease, like 11 beta hydroxylase deficiency. The corresponding pathway is given here. Okay, and you can also click on this. You will have information on this. So that is the only image that we are. Okay, okay, I think it is taking more time. Okay, this is the image of this pathway. Symbols are given here, the different proteins or enzymes interact with each other. So this is the pathway. Information about the pathway is given here. This is a pathway from the Homo sapiens. So annotation is given on the right hand. You can see here. I'm just increasing the size, so you can read about this. Okay, sorry. So this is the information about this pathway, like 11 beta hydroxylase deficiency, also called congenital adrenal hyperplasia. So you can search about the any pathway. So all the information is given here. So you don't need to read from the books. Okay. So references are also given here. There are so many references you can use. So this is the information about the pathway. If you are interested in the pathway, you can read about this pathway and you can select the drug for which you want to do the work, in which you are interested. So this information is useful to select the drug or to work on any disease, if you are interested in any specific disease. So this is the another database that is called SMPDB. So now we are on the different database, so we'll do some practical on this database. Now I am closing this. Okay, so how this information is useful, because now we want to start the practical we want to start a project, so we can, this information is useful in the selection of that on which you want to do work. So if you have any interest in any specific disease, so you can select from here. Okay, if you want to work on the human disorders, so you can select from here. You can search in this database, you can select any drug from this. The name of the drug, name of the therapeutic agents is given here. Okay, so this information is useful, so which can be taken from the pathway. Okay, you can go back. So here you can see, I mean, there is a lot of information that is available. This is different database, pathway database, and drug reaction. This is the another database. We can search in this. So here you can see the substrate is given here. The enzyme okay, this structure is given here, and this is the name of the enzyme. Okay, which bind on this substrate. The substrate bind on the enzyme. Okay, and hydroxymorphinol. Okay, this is the reaction product. Okay, so I want to click on this. Okay, what will happen? This is also image. Okay, so this is the structure. Now in the detail we will go. Reaction 3-methoxymorphin to 1 product. Okay, so here you can see reaction type is given here. Major circulating metabolites, spontaneous. So activity is unknown. So you can work on this drug. The activity of this drug is unknown. So you can select this drug for the analysis. Means you can predict the activity of this drug. Okay. So this is important. This is important if you want to do any project, because activities are known here, because in database it is written. So you can work to annotate this drug, to find out the more annotation. Okay, by the analysis of this drug, by analyzing the admit properties, just look what information is absent from this drug. So you can work on this in the projects. You can work on this. If the some information is missing, because the information is missing for this column is missing for this, so you can search on the, you can work on this drug. Okay, so this is the reaction database that we are searching. So what information we are getting from here, whatever is available, that is means we can use that information. If something is missing and we have interest, if we develop the interest, so we can work on this also. So reaction database provides the information, means that is available or not. So we are in the reaction database, so this is also the same. Okay, so these all informations are available in Drug Bank online database. So Drug Bank also connected with different databases. Now you can see Drug Bank database is connected. It provides the interface for several other multiple databases. On the same page, we are able to search in the different databases. So we'll search in the different databases in each exercise. So we have clicked on this, on the details. Okay, cytochrome P450. What is cytochrome P450? You know that this is the family of liver enzyme which is responsible for the metabolism of drug. Okay, so in the browse section we have the different databases like drug classification, drug targets, and okay. So drug target is also important. In your first unit you have the drug targets. If you know about the target, then that will be easy to select the drug. Means what type of drug do you want. So the name of the targets are given here. Prothrombin, epidermal growth factor receptor, low affinity immunoglobulin, gamma Fc region receptor. So I know in my lecture also I have talked about the drug. So in the drug designing, it is important to have the structure of the drug. For any structure based drug design, we should have the target structure. So here you can see we have the information about the target. Okay, like, okay, this is the name of the drug. We are able to see the multiple entries of the same drug. So why it is given here? Because we have the decline. So you can see this drug cetuximab, it has the different targets. Okay, you can see here these are the different targets. Means the what is the this is the property of this drug. It can target the multiple receptors. So it work on the multiple receptors. So it has a broad substrate coverage. It can target multiple proteins. So this is the importance of this drug. Here we have the another drug, etanercept. So it work on the tumor necrosis factor. We have different multiple targets. Target is important here. So whenever we want to design a drug for any drug discovery process, we should have the target structure. We should have information about the target. So that is important. Now I am going to click on this. So because this is the bioentity, so it is saved in the bioentity database. This is the protein and the organism is human source organism, and it is also connected to the UniProt database. Because so here you can see we have all the information about what this drug has, drug relation. Okay, this is the approved drug. Okay, pharmacological action is given, yes. So it is a binder. Okay, so this all has been given. If we click on the details, we can also search further. Okay, this is the all information that is available about the target. So here you can see, so I have clicked on the details. You can join the class without my permission because you are in the classroom. If you are in the classroom, there should be not any problem. Okay, we are searching in the, so this is the information that is available for human. Is the name of the organism, pharmacological action, binder, it is a binder, specific function. So it is given here, ubiquitin protein ligase binding, this is general function, receptor tyrosine kinase binding ligands of the EGF family and activating several signaling cascades to convert extracellular cues into appropriate cellular responses. Non-ligands include EGF-T. So means we don't know anything about all the protein. Okay, so if you are interested, if you develop any interest for any specific drug or target, so this is the database, you can search here. Okay, so this is important. If we are working on a disease, we can look for the targets and we can look for the drugs. How many drugs are available? How many targets are available? Drug and targets are useful. So it is obvious. So here you can see by clicking on these, we can go on this interactions, product, chemical identifiers, so clinical trials. So all the information you can get from here. So By clicking on this interaction, we can have information about the interaction. Okay, so it is written here, the information should not be interpreted without the help of healthcare provider. If you believe you are experiencing an interaction, contact a healthcare provider. Okay, the absence of the interaction doesn't necessarily mean no interaction exists. Okay, so this is just warning. We should be careful whenever we are working on any drug and target. So risk is given here means the probable interactions. It may be also related to the side effects. So we need to have more knowledge before working on the drugs. We should study. But the normal properties, whatever is required, we can study. So here you can see the brand name prescription is given here, strength, route. So all the informations are available here. For the drug, you can see the taxonomy is also given for any drug. For any drug, whatever you want to search, you can search. Here references are also given. So there is lot of information, clinical trials, everything is given here. Pharmacogenomics, so there is lot of information that you can search about. So about one drug you have too much information. Okay, so you can search about any drug and you can have any information about the drug target. Okay, this is the name of the drug is given here. Okay, the name of the drug is given here. Okay, and target, the information is given here, the background information is available here. Drug bank, this is drug bank accession number, so you should remember this to search about this drug, or you can save this. And this is the name of the protein, this is the target. Here you can see this is the name of the protein. Molecular weight is available here, and this is the sequence of the protein that is available here. Okay. So it is given here how it works. For the squamous cells carcinoma, head and neck in the combination with radiation therapy. Pharmacodynamics information is also available. Mechanism of action, so everything you can get. There is lot of information that is available here. For one drug we have too much information: absorption, volume of distribution, protein binding, metabolism, route of elimination, half-life, clearance. So you have to see in which you are interested. Adverse effect, toxicity, pathway, so everything is given here. So for us what is important? So lot of information is available here. Okay, so what is important for us? We want to know where it binds and what are the receptors, so we can study the where it binds, where this drug bind, what is the target. Okay, so first we need to search on this page. So we have all the information, so there is a lot of information that is available about this. But to work on anything, to understand anything, we need to select any drug, one target or one drug. Then we can do the better searching. Okay. You can also do some small project to understand more. We should have interest. Our interest is necessary. We should develop any interest for any specific disease. So I am giving you the COVID from the COVID-19 you can also select. Okay. Do you have any question here? Do you have any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so there are a lot of information that is available. Means everything you have. This is the reliable database. You can search in this. Don't look into the books. Okay, just search here. This is the updated information that is available here. So now I am giving you the exercise. You just select one drug for COVID-19. Okay, just see which drug nowadays in use for COVID-19 and what are the targets. You see the COVID-19 information given here or not? Okay, so just read about the COVID and just read about which drug is used for the COVID, then read about the targets. Okay, but just see which drug we are using. Okay, that is important. Okay, and then only you can develop the new drug. Using that old drug that we are using, we can modify that. We can modify that drug in the lab also. We can work. You all the people can work in the group on the COVID-19. Okay. You just take that drug. I will teach you how you can modify that drug in the computer. Okay. Using the ChemSketch, first we will using the ChemSketch we will change the structure, but we need to have the structure. This image structure we can't use, so we should have the smiley structure or the structure in the SDF format or the mol format. Okay, so there are the different formats of the drug in which we can download the structure of the drug. I will teach you those formats also. So today we have done the introductory search. Okay, so this was your first practical. Do you have any question? There are a lot of things that you can search here. Targets also about reactions, and these all are the fields of bioinformatics. Okay. Now I am giving you the exercise. Just make a list of the drug which are treatment which we are using for the COVID-19. We will work on those. Okay. I will also give you the drug. Okay. But you search for, because there is less information on the COVID-19. Make a specific search which drug is now used. Okay. For COVID-19. What are the proteins that we are targeting? We have developed the vaccine. Means just look for which protein is taken as a target. Antigen. Okay, just collect the information. How many targets are available for COVID-19? Okay, will you do this?
Yes, ma'am. Try it.
Okay, I will post the assignment. I will post the assignment on the Google Classroom. Okay. Where is your classroom? This is your classroom. Classwork. Create practical assignment. Okay. Search for drugs. I know, there is very less information, but it will be useful. Drug and targets for COVID-19. Okay. How much time you need? How much time do you need to do this?
Ma'am, 1 week.
No, 1 or 2 days. When will be next class? 11. Is it Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. I will try my best.
You have to only find out, means you have to study only. Then we will do the practical. Then only we can do the practical, no? So before the next practical class, you should know this. I need the report, okay? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Time is before 3 o'clock. Huh? Okay? So this I have assigned to all of you. Okay? Now this practical is over. If you have any question, you can ask. There is a lot of things that you can, lot of search you can do. I mean here. Chemical structure, drug and food interaction. So what means, because we have to work on the drug, we can start means drug target. Drug and target is important. Okay, and these are the name of techniques: NMR search, MSMS search, mass spectrometric search. Okay, chemical structures. Okay, yes, chemical structure we need, and this is the okay. Marvin sketch is available. This is the tool that you can use to draw the structure. You can draw your new molecule here and you can design anything here. Okay, we will also do practical on this, and then we can save our structure. So structure format, before doing this we need to know about the different formats of the drugs. First we will learn that, then we will use this tool. Okay, and you can also make the search using the chemical structure if you have. So there are the different types of the
As always, we need the object of that.
okay. So now class is over. I mean, there's a lot of things that we can do. So we'll do on the next turn. So today we have done students. Today we have done the searching. How do we search for the drug or for any targets? So for the drug, the target is important. That's why we also have done searching for the target. So this was the practical, that we are looking for the drug, suitable drug, so that we can work on that. Okay. Now the practical is over. Do you have any question, students? Do you have any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now the class is over. You just write down your attendance in the. You just write down your attendance in the chat box. Okay. Then you can leave the class. Okay. Do your practical assignment timely. Write down your attendance in the chat box. Then leave the class. Now class is over. Do your assignment timely. Okay. So we will meet on the next class. Okay. Bye. Oh yeah.